Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to animate image. So for you to do that, you have to come here, apps, or tap on apps, then you search using the search bar, image, animate, animate, animate. Then you click on this, the image animate option you want to use, then select image in the design to animate. So this image was picked from internet, so this is just normal random image. So just click and drag this image into this box. You can see image as reflect in this box, and from here you can set the motion range, the motion range, how you want the ball to move or range. Then you can send the motion length from here. Let's say about 8 seconds for the motion range. For motion length, then the numbers of loops, let's make it 5. Good. Then from here you can see the duration for this, for the animation is going to be 40 seconds. Then you can decide to generate using the AI motion, or probably you want a parallax motion for your animate. So let's use this. Step right, then click on generate. Okay, so this is the end of the design. Compared to the ordinary image, you can see there's motion to this. You can see the movement. You can see the animated part of the image. If you find the video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.